Good morning, people. This is how this beautiful flowers greeted me. I'll show you the view from the front. This is amazing. This is the view from the room. This is the room. It's like one room is down, two people on top, two on top. So there will be 4, 5 rooms. This is the view. You see people are plucking tea. And that's the river there. So it's called Rustling River. Very small but nice. This is the view from the room. I think that's the tea factory there. People are plucking tea leaves. That's the dining area. That's another place between this and this is a room, one room here. And they locked us out actually. Heading towards Kotagiri and then the viewpoint, Kodanad viewpoint. It's around 36 kilometers. Sorry, it's something funny I'm saying. Hidden Valley viewpoint. Maybe. This is Kotagiri. Amazing mist. Beautiful. I don't think you can see it in the camera that clearly. Wow, so much mist everywhere. Wow, wow, wow. Everywhere. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. It looks like almost evening or early morning. Wow, 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 wow. You guys stuck in a jam here. But if you see these guys, they're hanging from with their skin, man. Oh God, madness. If you guys know what this is, please let me know. Comment Mari. Hey guys, this is Kodanad viewpoint. This is where you have to go on top. There is one point there, one point here. Viewpoint. Wow, this is mind blowing. This is amazing. What a place. Oh, boys.
Yeah.
How is the view, boys? This is mind blowing, crazy. Wow. Woo. This is so good. Wow. Too amazing, man. Shit. Crazy. Zoom ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡು ಅದನ್ನ. Zoom the clouds and see ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಜಾ ಇದೆ. Mr. Cloud ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ.
ನಾವು ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
So good. ಹಾ, ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು there lucky because it started raining.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 30 to 1 hour ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ.
30 minutes to 1 hour ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು.
Perfect. This is the viewpoint again. I think this is the best view and you can see a waterfalls there. So amazing. Spot for viewing. So nice. So that's where you have to come from. This is as close as you can get to the viewpoint. These are the clouds ka shadows. This looks so amazing, so beautiful. There's one viewpoint here and that's where you need to come from. Another view, the waterfalls. Hello guys, good morning from Kodanad viewpoint. Thank you for watching the vlog. Sorry it's coming late, there is no internet proper. So yeah, today came to the viewpoint. Next we'll be going to the tea garden, tea plantation walk. And next will be the Brookline tea factory. That's it, that's the wrap for the day. Stopped for the restroom break. This is the beautiful view. Heading to the tea estates now. Small tea plantation walk and then we'll visit the tea factory. Very nice. Viewpoint was fantastic. I think you guys should, come this side, see these places. If you know any any offbeat places in Ooty, please let me know. Or Kunur or Kotagiri. Tea estates. Garden tour where you can get down and walk in the tea estates. But actually, I had stopped in a previous place. This is not the place. So, stop here for the tea factory, tea garden visit, and you can see the two bisons there. There's one bison there. The boys are sitting here. One second. And this is a place with a view. Holy crap. Yeah. I'll mail it. Beautifully parked Himalayans and Hero X Pulse. Amazing tea estates. You can put it in Google Maps as tea garden tour. Come to this restaurant called Rock Bistro. Food is amazing with a view. Beautiful. You can see bisons grazing down there. The photo session is done. And look at this. There are three bisons grazing here. The best part of it is the rainbow. You can see that. This photo session done. Sima chilling. Tiring day, but peaceful. Must eat here, huh? With a view, you guys must eat. So it's seeing us. Wow. Amazing.
Can you see unicorn on that? Can you see unicorn on that? Rainbow ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರು. Yes.
Brooklyn Tea Factory. So almost closing time. Trying to got the entry. Heading inside. Entrance to the tea factory. Prabhat searching something on his phone. Oh wow! This is how it begins. The entire tea is being kept here. She's giving explanations. This is the details here. You can take a screenshot and read it. Screenshot and read. This is the viewpoint. View outside. Giving a beautiful explanation. So she's saying this is where it's dried up and made into powders. So big powders, like a bigger stock of granules, are used for normal tea like black tea, and these small ones that are being done are used for the tea sachet bags. You guys can see this drying. This is the procedure. You can take a screenshot. This is giving a very beautiful experience in the tea factory. Very well done, very nicely. This is the procedure for brewing a perfect cup. So, this is the procedure. You can take a screenshot and see this. There is a history of tea. Another history of tea. Where it's being segregated. So it's watching it with so much interest. History of tea, another part. You can check this out as well. Tea sifting machine. what is happening here?
Tea mixer, basically of grading.
Grading. Okay, the big small one
Yeah,
that is.
bigger one, smaller.
This is big, I guess, no?
Bigger one will be light flavor. The smaller one is for tea bags
tea
and
bags.
tea list.
Teas for every mood, apparently. Fun facts. The fun facts of tea. I'm not a big tea person, but facts about tea, you can take a screenshot. Kashmiri Kawa. I'm sure you guys must have tried this. Whoever have tried, please comment below. Detox tea. I think most of us need this. Wellness brew and white tea. This is some. They say apparently a kg is equal to 10,000 bucks. Yeah? This is Brooklyn Tea Factory. Very a must visit when you guys come to Kunur side. Nestled between beautiful location, and the drive to here is amazing. This is a place where you can taste chai and made a nice beautiful setup to sit and have chai and taste. And here you enter is the factory outlet. I mean, wherever you get all the products here. So this is the beautiful factory outlet. So you get garam masala powder, separate, everything like A to Z done organically. You have this tea here. You get eucalyptus oil, that's the king of all oils. And yeah, you need to buy your things there. And then, start billing it here. Beautiful. So, evening in the hills. And if you can see this, there's a temple, they're playing, someone's, doing kirtan. Beautiful, very beautiful. The entire vibe is amazing. Please come and visit Kunur, more than Ooty, I would say. And come to these tea factories because, this has a very good way to explain things. They tell you how it's done, everything. And you can taste it as well and, buy whatever you guys want. Time to head to the homestay. Boys are starting. All the lights look so nice. So now they'll be heading to the homestay. Before that, they need to fuel up for tomorrow's ride. We'll be heading back tomorrow. That's the Isuzu. So, waiting to see. Okay, heading out. Simha's leading. Prabhat next. I know both of them started. I think Harish, Manjana. Safe ride, boys. This is Praveen. There's some beautiful. What was that today? She told. What was it? Mariamma Habba. It seems people are dancing on the road. If you can see that, there's a actual lady sitting. It's crazy. Hi guys. Reached the property. It was a beautiful, eventful day today. The Kodanaad viewpoint, amazing. From there we went to the tea plantations, took a few photographs, amazing. And then post that we went to tea factory. It was a very beautiful experience. From checking how the tea is made to taste, and then buying the factory outlet products. Tiresome day, but too much of cars and too much of traffic. So just came back, plan to rest now. Time is around 9 o'clock. So by 9:30 I've asked them to assemble at the dining area and have food. Probably close in early today, and yeah, done for the day. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya. I'll keep you posted. We are leaving tomorrow by 11 in the morning, I'm thinking. So that we should reach in probably 7 to 8 hours. That's the plan. Let's see how tomorrow goes. I'll keep you posted.